Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to bring your PowerPoint slides to life with real movement? In this video, I will show you how to create a smooth and realistic tap water animation using PowerPoint. It's simple, fun, and perfect for science topics, awareness presentation, and in fact, you can download this template for free using a password that will be mentioned in between the video. So stay tuned till the end. Take a blank slide, right click, go to Format Background, click on Gradient Fill, make it 4 gradient stops, choose dark blue color for the first and fourth gradient stop and light blue for second and third gradient stops. Close the Format Background tab, select a rectangle from the Shapes tab and place it on the left side of the slide. Go to Shape Outline, choose No Outline, right click, go to Format Shape, select Picture Fill, click on Texture and select any one texture. Here I am selecting this one. Now go to Shape Effect, click on 3D Format, choose Slant from Top Bevel, adjust the width to 20 points and height to 12 points. Now go to 3D Rotation, choose Oblique Top Right from the Preset tab, close the Format Shape. Now we will insert a tab. For that, draw a small rectangle on the left side touching the texture. Insert a round shape on the sides of the small rectangle having a width and height of 0.8. Now insert a small rectangle on the top of round shape and then place a rectangle horizontally. Go to Shapes tab and choose Block Arc. Place it on the slide. Now click on the orange button and decrease its size by half and place it on the side of the round shape. Duplicate this rectangle by using Ctrl D and place it below the tap. Select all together, go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Shape Fill, white color, press Ctrl G to group it and then right click, select Send to Back. Now we will create water drops. So choose teardrop from the shapes. Adjust the height and width to 0.35 and insert inside the base of tap. The size seems to be little bigger, so I adjusted to 0.3. Now click on the water drop, right click, go to Format Shape and choose Gradient Fill. Make it 3 gradient stops. Choose the shades of light blue color for the 3 gradient stops. Go to Shape Effect, click on 3D Format, choose Round from Top Bevel, adjust the width to 12.5 points and height to 6 points. Close the Format Background. Now our water drops is ready. Now we need a container to fill the water. So from the Shapes tab, select trapezoid and place it in the slide. Click on orange button and decrease the width by dragging it. Go to Rotate and select Flip Vertical and place it below the tap. Now duplicate the container, keep it apart, insert a rectangle above it, covering half of the container. Now select the container first and then the rectangle. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Right click, go to Format Shape, click on Gradient Fill, make it 3 gradient stops. Choose the same 3 shades of light blue color as we selected for the water drops. Place it inside the trapezoid shape. Click on the outer shape. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Draw a rectangle on the top of container. Shape Outline as No Outline. Select the outer shape and the rectangle together. Go to Merge Shapes and choose Union. Now select all the shapes together. Press Ctrl G to group. Increase the height if you want. Now close the Format Background. Click on the water drops. Go to Animation and choose Line from Motion Path. Here you can observe the water drops has reached on till the top part. We need water to reach till the bottom. So you will observe a red dot here. Just drag it down till you need. Duplicate the water drop 2 times. Select all together, go to Align and choose Align Center and then Align Middle. Place the drop inside the tab. Click on the water drop. Click on Animation pane. A small window will open for you. Select all the 3 panes by holding the Shift key. Click on the down arrow. Go to Effect Options. Make 0 second for smooth start and smooth end. Go to timing, start with previous, duration 3 seconds. Repeat until end of the slide. Click on OK. If I click on slideshow, you will observe that there is no continuous movement of the 3 water drops together. For that, click on the first animation pane, go to delay and make 1 second. For the second and third animation pane, mark 2 seconds and 3 seconds. Close the animation pane, select the water drops, right click and send to back. Let's see the animation effect by clicking on the slideshow. Yes, it's perfect. The water drops are moving continuously. You can download this PPT by using a password 381. Now to beautify our work, we can add any slogan or caption here. I'm typing a drop saved is a life saved. Now give white color, font impact, font size 40. You can decorate it in your own way. You can keep the words normal, loose or very loose by clicking on this part, that is AV. Now go to animation and select wheel from the entrance effect. Go to effect options and choose 8 spokes. Start with previous. Click on slideshow to see the result. And that's how you animate a tap with flowing water drops. All inside PowerPoint. Thank you for watching and keep creating magic with your slides.